So the first type of inequalities we have are linear inequalities. They're pretty easy. You just remember to do the same thing to all sides. So an example could be, well, and you want to actually, before you do this, make sure you combine, so I'll write it here. Make sure you combine all the x's onto one side. So, an example would be -2 is less than 8 minus 2x, which is less than or equal to -1. So we want to get the x alone in the middle, so we're going to subtract the 8 from all sides. Because it's a positive 8, so we want to get rid of it to make it 0, so we subtract it. So we get -10 is less than -2x is less than or equal to -9. And now what do we have to do to get the x alone? Divide by -2. When we divide by a negative, what do we have to do? Good, flip the sign. So 5 is greater than x, which is greater than or equal to 9/2. And I like to write it as 9/2 is less than or equal to x is less than 5, because it makes it easier for me to do my interval notation, because I want the smallest thing to come first, and 9/2 is smaller than 5. So I just flipped it around. And then to write an interval notation, I would write bracket 9/2 because it's greater than or equal to 5, which is a parentheses because it's just a less than.